just arrived here in Dumaguete and I'll be going to Robinson's for now because I have an appointment there. So for now, I'll be going to Robinson because I have an appointment today here. Ayan. Maipapasa lang ako na mga documents. Ayan, itong dala-dala ko is mga documents lang ito. So, by the way, it's so hot here. That's why nagpayong talaga. I'm just walking here kay ang Robinson is doon lang siya sa Kuan, Ceres Terminal. So that's why I'll have to walk even though it's so hot in it. So here, I just arrived here in Robinson. Ayan. And my appointment is 3:30 pa ng hapon, so it's so hot outside. So that's why na ako din nagpunta-punta. I'm just staying here for 3 hours. Ay 3:30 pa ako appointment. So, ano pala, I'm planning to go in Globe kasi yung isang SIM ko na TM is na-expire siya and I'm going to ask if pwede pa ba siya ma-reactivate kasi sayang naman nandun yung mga mga contacts. So, I'll try if it's reactive. Pwede pa siya i-reactivate. So, I am now here in Robinson Supermarket because I wanted to buy some stuff. So here we go. Tapos na akong mamalit. And I'm going home na siguro. Super, nakakapagod. Talaga. Ayun. So here, ayun. I'm looking for a tricycle. Ayan. Ang init.